What's going on, everybody? Bones here with CAJUNRNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. Y'all know I'm making it. Today, we're doing up chicken teriyaki on the grill. We're not going to use up that pre-made marinade stuff that you can buy at the store. Oh, no, no, no. We're going to make up our own marinade, people. It's going to be tasty. Y'all know it's going to be good. Stick around, we're going to get right to it. Your ingredients for your chicken teriyaki. Some chicken, any parts of the chicken will do. Whatever your fancy, that's what you want. That's what you cook. Some garlic powder. We're going to spice it up with a little bit of chipotle powder. You don't want that spicy? Go with paprika or cayenne. Whatever your case, go with it. Get you some black pepper, some salt, some olive oil, some soy sauce, some bourbon, and then if you want to dress it up at the end, get you some sesame seeds. Went ahead and put the chicken in the bag to save us some time. Hopefully an 18-wheeler doesn't pass by while we're doing this. You need 2/3 cup container. First start off with your bourbon. Today we're using Early Times, just because I got 3 of them, thanks to a Rite Aid discount. They were discontinuing some liquor, so grab 3 bottles of it, because that's what they had on the shelf. They were going out of business in the area, and they had those readily available. 2/3 container of some soy sauce. Two-thirds of olive oil. Now go ahead with some garlic powder, season to taste. So I'm doing about tablespoon and a half of that. Go in with about a teaspoon of some chipotle powder. About a teaspoon of black pepper. About a tablespoon of salt. We're going to go ahead and mix this up real quick. Now you want to put this in your refrigerator for a couple hours to let all this meld together. Today we're using the Pit Boss Classic. We're going to go ahead and open up our lid, turn it on, turn it to smoke. We're going to let all that nasty white smoke at the beginning exit out. Don't want any of that in our food. White smoke is exited. We're going to shut it down and turn it up to 350 degrees. We're going to make up a quick teriyaki glaze. That's 1/2 cup of soy sauce. Half cup of bourbon. Half cup of olive oil. Throwing in a little bit of salt. A couple dashes of chipotle powder. A little bit of garlic powder. And some black pepper to taste. Reduce this down to a simmer. And let it thicken up. We're going to go ahead and put these on the grill now. I'm going to shake off the excess. The glaze has reduced by half, so we're going to go ahead and shut it off and pull it off the burner. Well, and we're done. Today is logging truck day. So they're just driving on past because they've already mined out all the timber that can be mined out in this area, except for right behind me, and my guy ain't selling any timber. So thankfully this tract of land ain't gonna be mined out anytime soon, and I know I ain't selling my woods, so good for me. Let's go in for that taste test. We're looking real good here. Nice, tender, juicy. Got a nice teriyaki flavor there to it. That was a carpenter bee that just flew on past. Don't know if y'all saw it. I know I sure did. Nice little fat bee. But, nice, tender, juicy piece of meat. A teriyaki flavor, very prominent. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you, and have a good day. And we're done. Today is logging truck day. They've pretty much mined out all of the timber that's available, and I think somebody just ran off the road. Joy to the world. What's going on, everybody? Bones here with CAJUNRNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. I'm sweating like a fat kid at a chocolate factory.